Good morning to everyone and welcome to another update on the market. For today, I decided to cover British pound versus US dollar. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil, and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with British pound versus US dollar first. This is something that we spoke in our last previous forecasts. So the market actually traded higher yesterday as basically expected, but market closed in the middle. It is not particularly good sign. This close away from the high, but overall market is still building higher lows in the last, I will say, last 10 days. It rejected and held pretty well a 61.8 Fibonacci retracement at 1.2398, and it's still mid-long term trend upside. So I can definitely see still the retest of the 1.2540 and also in some bigger higher time frame target is 1.2670 mark. So still upside is holding, mid-long term trends up. The close yesterday is a one sign of weakness, but overall watching like all other aspects, it's still potential for the bull run and upside to continue, as long as the market is staying above 1.2365. Speaking of the gold market, actually it had a down day yesterday, somewhere around the midday. There was like a sell-off. It might be the profit taking from the intraday traders or so. Overall, I see that as long as the market is holding above the 1930 mark, there is a chance for the higher prices. Mid-long-term trends are up, and there is a still chance, of course, for retest of the 1983 and 2000 mark going into the next period. Speaking of the crude oil, as alerted yesterday, so crude oil is basically just coiling. We can see that market is building this bigger range, and so far it seems like this is a not complete coiling process, and there is a chance for more coiling and for the more price to the sideways. Again, the key resistance on the crude oil key resistance cluster is set around, I will say, 74.50. And pay attention on this level, because only if we can really trade above and hold, we can expect some bigger high prices. If not, market can remain inside of this range. So pay attention to this triangle creation and this key pivot level in order to confirm the further direction. And Bitcoin versus US dollar, let's just take a look here. We'll go and place hourly here, so we can see that this up move, we had a down day, which is basically a test. So now we can, I will take retracement, place this low and this high. And we can see that market respected 61.8 of this new swing upside. It happened 2 trading days ago. And seems like market really created like a channeling mode, more like a flag. So there is a chance for higher prices to retest 27,400, and overall for the price to go higher towards the 27,400 and 28,000 mark. So that will be all for this update, guys. I hope that you did enjoy. Trade safe as always, and speak to you from tomorrow.